Yeah, I just wanted to share. I'm making some homemade peanut butter. Well, there's no peanuts in it, so I guess it's just a random assortment of nuts. It is a nut butter. So we got 1 cup of almonds, we got half cup of hazelnuts, walnuts, pecan pieces, and then cashews. I'm about to roast it for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes at 360. I think it should be 355, but yeah, after that we'll come back and check on them. So I completely forgot to record when they came out, but yeah, they came out. They were crackling a little bit because they were still a little warm. Let them cool for about 10 minutes on a cooling tray. This is kind of the consistency. On my Ninja, I have 3 settings. Well, 4 technically, but I just put it on dough for about 10 seconds before I started recording. And I'm gonna just let this go until it turns into a peanut butter consistency. I start off at 1, then I build it up to 2, then ended up on crush. And then once it gets to that consistency you'll start to see it. It'll just start to work its way into peanut butter or a nut butter. And we'll get to that point next. So this is after about 4 minutes. If you wanted to stop and let it be chunky, you can do that after a little bit. I'm gonna keep going, but what I like to do is scrape down the edges just to make sure it all gets in there. We're gonna keep going. I think that's pretty good. So now what I do is I usually add whatever seasonings I'm gonna add to it. So I just have salt and cinnamon just because I like the way cinnamon tastes in it. So I just dump it in there like that, kind of spread it around a little bit. I also like to do is add honey. I don't add a lot because it will make it very thick and kind of hard. So I do a little bit. I don't want to mess this up. I had to add a little bit more salt, but also I add a little bit of vanilla because I forgot I do vanilla extract. But we're going with this right here, Bee Hollow Bourbon Barrel Honey. Bee Hollow is pretty good. And I'm only gonna do about a tablespoon, maybe. Don't need to do too much more. You can kind of see it right here, that little section right there. And that should be enough to give it a thicker consistency than what we have here. When I get done, it should be a little bit thicker, but yeah, we'll get there. All right, here you go. You can see it starting to come off of the blade right there. The honey makes it a little bit easier to, let me see, there it is, a little bit easier to get off of the blade. It's not as, I don't know, runny. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, you can see here it's a little bit thicker. And it tastes pretty good, a little sweet. It's not like too sweet, but it's not too salty either. It's pretty good. So now I'm just gonna take this out and jar it, and then I'm done. So this is it, homemade nut butter. You can do this with peanuts. I did it again with a cup of almonds, half cup cashew, half cup pecan, half cup walnut, half cup of hazelnut. The basis, again, is 3 cups of whatever nuts you choose, salt, and a little bit of honey if you want. But that's really it. Just blend it up. If you try it, let me know what you think. If you got any ideas for another one I should try, let me know. Other than that, I hope you enjoy.